Hi guys, I'm back with the 11 Pro Max. Can I show you the phone? You see the back crack. This is a back crack. So I'm going to replace the back part, and he's got also front. He's got one crack, so it's no problem. I'm going to do first the back part, then I'm going to do the front. But phone is working, everything is good. So what I need to do just to make sure that his phone is off. That's all. Then I'm going back to the same way. That's how I'm going to do the back part. Okay, then I'm going to the menu. Then after menu, I'm going to open again because this is another phone. I'm going to select the phone. That is the 11 Pro Max. This is the 11 Pro Max. The back part. Okay, I'm going to double click. Then it's coming 11 Pro Max, and this is automatic and the same that how I do it. Show you the before. So let me start to pointing the red line. Double click, then it's showing the red line. Then I'm going to do now to measurement, that is the red light must be in. Mobile now it's finished. Now I'm going to open that to what was raising machine was cutting. Now I'm going to open and it's going to clean. So it's same how I show you the before one, but it's different like how you want to clean. So I'm going to use that, like sometimes razor machine, or I can use that is still. What I feel comfortable is not a big deal. You can use what you like to. So this is the 11 Pro Max. Now I'm going to clean first before I use anything. Okay guys, I finished to clean. Now I'm going to do what? I'm going to put the glue in here. I'm going to put the glue, then after I'm going to put it back to this back part. Let me see how it's fit. Yeah, this is great. Then after you can see how it is. That means it's very nice. It's like original. No one can say anything. You can see how it is. Then after gluing and put the back part, I'm going to put it here again. About like a, let's say 10-15 minutes or 20 minutes is good. Okay guys, we are finished to put it. Now I'm going to take off. Let's see. Yes, it looks like it's good. Let me see. Yes, thank you. After you see how it's fit and how is this thing, it is very nice. It looks like original way. So you see the phone, everything is working. It's good. There is no problem.